garbage trucks. A garbage truck stops at a house. Its robotic arm reaches out and grabs a garbage can. The arm lifts the can and tips it upside down. Clink, bang, trash tumbles into the garbage truck. The arm sets the garbage down. Then the truck rumbles to the next house. Garbage trucks collect trash. They carry the trash to landfills. Some trucks pick up recycled items. They carry the items to recycling centers. Many garbage trucks pick up trash from homes. Others go to businesses, schools, and apartments. They use big forks to lift dumpsters. All garbage trucks have large tires to support heavy loads. Garbage trucks also have loud, powerful engines. Garbage trucks have hoppers. They can hold tons of weight. Most hoppers have packer blades. These crush trash to make more room. Some garbage trucks open from the back. Workers get out of the truck. They might empty garbage cans themselves. Others line cans up with the truck's lifting arm. Other trucks are controlled from the inside. A robotic arm lifts the garbage can. Some trucks have grapples to pick up large items. Garbage trucks do dirty work. They deal with loads of trash. These mighty trucks help keep neighborhoods and cities clean. And that's the end of garbage trucks, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!